In this video, I'm going to share 5 tips to make and sell digital art on Etsy. Etsy is a huge marketplace. It's been steadily growing over the last 8 years, and it actually has over 45 million buyers. And one of the things I like about Etsy is that they are really committed to their growth. For example, I was watching some videos on YouTube the other day, and I saw tons of ads for Etsy. So they're doing advertising on your behalf if you're on their platform. So today I'm going to be discussing how you can make and sell digital art products on Etsy. And Etsy is really great for beginners because you don't need a website or upfront investment. You can get your products online and make sales very quickly. Now, they do have a very small listing fee, so you do have to do that. But even the listing fee, they actually, will go through, and it'll just be like a weekly thing. So you don't have to do a lot up front or anything like that. And it's really just a few pennies per listing as well. And some of their more popular products are print-on-demand products. So today I want to share how you can get started on Etsy and some great tips to be successful. So one of the things that's great about Etsy is you really have an SEO advantage because it's a very different marketplace than places like Amazon. So you're not really competing with what's happening over on Amazon or on a lot of the big e-commerce stores. So if you're looking to create and sell digital art, which is actually one of the more popular categories on Etsy, you're going to want to make sure you use the right tools. So some of the tools you can use are things like Canva, Procreate, and Google Docs and Slides, or something along those lines like a slide design type of program. So I'm a big fan of Canva. They have plenty of templates, photos, and fonts you can use. And you can, when you create something from Canva, you can actually resell it. Now, they do have better options for you if you have the pro version. So, for example, some of their art you have to pay for and is a little bit limited in licensing if you don't have the pro option. So you could start for free and make sure you use their free assets. And then once you start, making sales, you may want to upgrade to their pro version, which is relatively inexpensive. But you certainly can get started with their free version. So before you spend your time actually creating art, you want to be looking at some research. And you can use tools like just going onto Etsy and seeing what's selling. You can also use tools like eRank or Marmalade to give you more specific information. They have, I believe eRank in particular has a free tier that you can use to get started with. So you can look at things like digital art or things like that and see what's selling, what's popular by how many reviews there are and sales and things along those lines. So once you've decided to sell a specific type of digital art, you'll want to keep in mind what you're going to be and how you're going to be pricing it. So is it going to be a digital only product? Is it going to be a physical product with customization like print on demand? So again, one of the things you'll be wanting to take a look at is what are similar products that are successfully selling on the marketplace? What are they going for? So once you get some idea about all that and you're ready and you have your particular artwork done, you really want to make sure that you are putting together mock-ups or images that are going to work for your listings. So Etsy, I believe, allows a lot of images, I think around 10 or something. So you can do a lot of different images, and then there's also free mock-ups that you can use so people can see how your image might look in various, physical places, like on a wall, for example, and so forth like that. And in addition to your image, you'll want to make sure your product description uses clear and concise language so people can find your products. And you'll obviously want to be adding to keywords and categories. Look again what people are searching for. So, for example, if you're doing nursery prints, you would include maybe something like nursery, baby's room, and then, of course, the type of print that you have, whether it's like a specific type of animal or a nursery rhyme character. So you want to get as specific as possible, but also have a variety of different words you're using so people who are looking will be able to find what you have. So if you'd like to learn more about how to actually get up and running with Etsy, I would suggest my training, Easy Implementation Etsy Success. This is an over-the-shoulder style training where it shows you how to get started selling products on Etsy quickly and easily, particularly digital products and print-on-demand products.